I know, you know, God knows. I know, you don't know.
God knows.
God knows. I don't know.
You know.
You know.
God knows. I don't know. You don't know.
I don't know.
God knows.
Gusto ko po makilala nyo sa sarili ko. Can I teach you something? Wala ko sa lecture. I'm gonna use this 5 minutes. Ang tawag po dito 4 quadrants, ang ibig sabihin po, 4 na square. Okay? Yung una pong square, I know, you know, God knows. Yung pangalawa, I know, you don't know, God knows. Yung pangatlo, I don't know, you know, God knows. Pangapat po, I don't know, you don't know, God knows. Now let's talk about this. Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Let's talk about 4 quadrants. Let's talk about 4. May mga bagay na alam ko at alam mo at alam ng Diyos. Halimbawa, pastor ako. Lalaki ako. Kalbo ako. Ang tawag doon, obvious. Pilipino ko. Obvious. I know, you know, God knows. Obvious. Everybody say obvious.
Obvious.
2. I know, you don't know, God knows. Ang tawag doon, private. Privacy. O kaya, secrets. Diba? I know, you don't know, God knows. Privacy. Secrets. Tama? Number 3. I don't know. You know. God knows. Feedback. Halimbawa, mannerism. May mannerism ka. Ihawak ka ng mic, ka ng ikot, no? At saka habang kumakanta ka, inibigti mo pala yung sarili mo. No? Sa'yo, normal lang habang kumakanta ka. Pero yung mga tao, natataranta na sa'yo. Kasi habang kumakanta ka, ang dami na pala. No? Feedback. Feedback, halimbawa, may muta ka. May muta ka. Kasi hindi mo kita. Tama? Kung sinabing feedback, may nakatingin sa'yo from another angle. Okay? Number 4. I don't know, you don't know, God knows. Ang tawag dito, possibilities. Halimbawa, ano pakiramdam ng isang lola sa tuhod? Na yung apo mo may anak na. Hindi mo alam. Ano pakiramdam na makahawak ng 1 million yen? Hindi mo alam. Wala ka pa nun. Wala ka pa. Malapit na. Possibilities. Hindi mo sinasabing hindi. Hindi mo sinasabing oo. Pero kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon, may possibilities. Are you learning? Talking about Christian Christian psychology. Ayan, teacher na ako. No? Pag sinabing, I know obvious. Ang tawag dito, transparent. Diba? Obvious or transparent. No? See through yung buhay mo. Let's talk about people. Let's talk, gaano ka ka-healthy? Can I ask you, gaano ka-healthy ka magdala ng sarili mo? Are you a healthy person? I mean, kapag kasama ka ng ibang tao, church is about friendship. Di ba? Lahat tayo relationship. 99% of people that come to church are not strangers. 99% that go to church come from a relationship. Okay? May kaibigan, may nag-inquire, ganyan, may nag-promote. 99%. Let's talk about this. Ito ka, ito buhay mo.